We're now going to start Chapter 5, which is the chapter on the medically relevant fungi. Now, overall, as far as the microbiology is concerned for Step 1, clearly the bacteria are going to be the most high yield, followed by the viruses, and then the fungi and parasites. Now, it doesn't mean you're not going to get questions on them. It means you are. They're just probably going to be fewer in number than, for example, for the bacteria and viruses. This, along with the parasites, tends to be a little bit weaker for most students, but I'm going to give you plenty of ways that are going to help you remember how these organisms cause disease and which little reminders you can have to let you know which causes diseases where. Okay? So with that, we're just going to look at a little bit of introductory information about mycology. The thing I'm going to remind you is that now we have left the prokaryotes and have entered into the realm of eukaryotic cells. And the biggest thing about that means that they're just a little bit more difficult to treat because their cells are like our cells. Now, there are a few differences, of course. They do have cell walls that are composed of chitin, glucan, and mannan, and ergosterol instead of cholesterol is the major membrane sterol. Now, because that's different than what we use in our membranes, it is a major target for antifungals. So the imidazole antifungals target ergosterol, as well as the polyene antifungals also target ergosterol. So that's going to be an important point, especially when you bridge over to pharmacology and start looking at mechanism of action of some of the drugs. Now, fungi are all heterotrophic, saprophytic, and parasitic. Okay? So they require organic carbon. They can live on dead organic material or another living organism.